Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your phone supports live wallpapers and the TikTok app is updated, then grant camera and storage permissions. Next, pick or record a vertical 9/16 clip between 15 and 60 seconds. This sizing prevents cropping. Once done, trim the clip in your gallery to the desired length and save a copy. Finally, open TikTok and tap the plus button so you can import that prepared clip as your starting asset. You'll continue by importing and carefully editing so the live wallpaper behaves correctly. Upload the saved vertical clip through TikTok's upload tool, then set a clear cover frame so thumbnails remain recognizable. Use motion effects, looping, and speed adjustments to control motion intensity. Make sure to crop and reposition to avoid important content being cut off. Once satisfied, export or save the edited clip on iOS. Export as a live photo. On Android, save as a short video or use a companion app so the system can accept it. You'll finish by applying the asset and handling common problems. Go to your phone's wallpaper settings and choose the live photo or video. Decide whether it's for the lock screen, home screen, or both. Lock screen retains motion on many devices. If animation doesn't play, make sure live photo is enabled, low power mode and motion reduction are off, and app permissions remain granted. If visual artifacts or cropping appear, re-export at the original resolution and reapply. Revisiting permissions usually clears blocked saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.